Golden Triangle Roofing Specialist is a certified GAF Master Elite contractor with over 30 years of industry experience. Using only the highest quality GAF roofing materials, we specialize in both commercial and residential projects. Our dedication to providing the highest quality of craftsmanship, steadfast dependability, and unmatched customer service has earned our team one of the best reputations in the industry. Whether it's a large-scale commercial project, a residential contract, or simply routine maintenance and repair, each client is assigned a dedicated project manager who is focused on precision, efficiency, and customer aftercare. And that's why we have a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee and offer a lifetime warranty on all our projects. As a company founded on the storm-prone shores of the Texas Gulf Coast, Golden Triangle Roofing Specialist is uniquely prepared to serve our clients in times of crisis. From immediate remediation to our in-house adjusters, our full turnkey teams tracks incoming storms and are on location and ready to serve at the earliest possible moment. And as a company that has not only helped businesses and people recover from storms, but weathered them ourselves, we are supremely aware of the human toll that these catastrophic events exact. That's why we're proud to be a partner with Habitat for Humanity to offer humanitarian services for all victims in storm-affected areas. For more information on our team and services, visit us at goldentriangleroofingspecialist.com or call us at 409-727-4988. Golden Triangle Roofing Specialist, where reliability, craftsmanship, and compassion are the heartbeat of our company.